try and do a full chrome delete. So I'm not a huge fan of chrome details on a white car, so I will try and do a full chrome delete on the car. Like I will have these in black, and that also means these. I want these in black as well. That means of course that I have to take off all these trim and loosen the roof liner so you can get to the bolts. So roof liner is loosened up. See, handles removed. Some visor also removed. Now we just have to unbolt it. And of course we will give it a good clean before we install the new ones. Man, that's dirty. So there we go. That's a little bit better. Feels a little bit better to put the new ones on that. And here's the result. I also removed this chrome trim and had it painted in black. So now I just have to remove this darn glue. There we go. Now I just have to take off all the damn glue on the piece itself. But here's the taste. When I do this, I usually just take a little bit at the end and point it out like this. And here's the next step in the pursuit of chrome delete. I will of course also have these in black. Some fishing line. And as usual, we give all our models their own model name. So there we go, total chrome delete in the rear. Except for the pipes, of course, because I really want them to show. Since these are pretty worn and I also want to do the chrome delete, I actually ordered these new in black from Mercedes, since they are not that expensive at all. So no painting or wrapping, I will just replace them with new ones in black. And as you can see, they are pretty easy to remove as well. And now we got the opportunity to do a little bit of cleaning underneath. As you can see, it's really necessary. Always feels good to have a proper clean underneath these things. I have to say, they come really well packed. Here we are. Beautiful. As he says that. And if they sit a little bit harder than you expected, just take a plastic wedge, as usual. Put it in here at the end. Right off. And this one you have to get inside here first before you apply it. Or you will have trouble getting it in there. So there we go. And since this one was black, I made this one white instead of chrome. And here, since this one is white, I did this one in black instead of chrome. And we're doing the final chrome delete on the car by adding these carbon fiber trims to the handles. And that looks really good if you ask me. Just double-sided tape.
And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like. And don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.